Hi! In front of me is REALME NARZO 50i Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this REALME. Firstly, you need to open Tools folder and choose Sound Recorder app. Now choose Agree in this pop-up, tap on while using the app or only this time, select Allow, and finally tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and in order to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now you need to click on this right button again to access the list of all your recordings. As you can see, mine is here. In order to play it, just click on it. To start your... If you wish to delete it though, or rename it, you need to go back, hold it, and select those three dots at the top right corner, and then tap on rename to change name of your recording. Then choose OK, or select this bin icon at the top right corner as well, and this time click on allow in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!